Yeah, hi, I'm Kyle Anderson, and this is my wife, Megan Anderson, and we had Integrity build our custom home.
Well, initially we were looking at different houses in the area. We actually looked at an Integrity house and we really liked the detail work of that house, but we just didn't really like the location. And then we found this lot and we liked the work that we had previously seen that Integrity did. So that's kind of how it all started.
Integrity was always leading with service throughout the entire process. We didn't get really far into designing a house that was way out of line with our budget, and they brought in a lot of really good concepts. In fact, the whole reason that we ended up with the ranch house was because of those early conversations with Brad and Chris. They were trying to always look out for us throughout that whole way, and then we were working with the whole team, and there weren't ever like a handoff where we didn't feel like we were getting service, and it was just supportive throughout that whole process.
I mean, we were in communication with Integrity every week. I feel like we were part of the entire process, and if there were any issues, they were really good about letting us know, or if we had questions, they would look into something for us. It was very open-ended the entire time.
One example that Integrity did to live up to their name was honoring the commitments that they made throughout the design process, even if one of the subcontractors didn't have those details while they were building it. Throughout that whole process, if there was any detail that wasn't according to plan, that we felt comfortable and confident that we could talk to them about it and they would take care of it.
I think the thing that made it easier was going into the first meeting, Kyle and I were like, oh, this is going to be easy because we know what we want. And then afterwards, we're like, well, maybe we don't know what we want. So they were able to take our ideas and kind of put them into something that was feasible for us to build. So I think the combination of kind of knowing what we wanted and then having their help kind of made it flow seamlessly for us.
One of the things we really loved about working with Integrity was that the price that we agreed to up front was the price that we paid for the house. And it was clear to us throughout that whole process. You're proud of the space, and especially when the home is designed around your life. And we were lucky enough to be able to design the home around our life, and it really fits its purpose.